Mbĩtĩka cia kweherania nĩcio playoffs cia ligi ya volleyball gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩcingĩrĩte mũthenya wa kerĩ kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kasarani Indoor Arena, kũrĩa timu ya airĩtu ya Kenya Pipeline arĩa nĩ ahotani a ngucanio cia mwaka mũthiru mahotete Kenya Prisons na seti 3-1 hwaĩ-inĩ ũyũ.
Nao KCB rungu rwa nyabara Jafet Munala magũtha timu ya DCI na seti 3-0 iria nĩcio pointi 28 kwa 26, pointi 25 kwa 27 na pointi 25 kwa 15. Mwena wa arume timu ya Mbiraru yonirio Gambute nĩ aruna ao a njera.
Match against Kenya Pipeline, so they have to get used to the court before the last match tomorrow against Kenya Pipeline, and I'm happy that when they came in they did well and they managed to maintain the score where we are leading with a difference of 14 scores.
Today at some point reception gave us a hard time, but I'm happy that our receivers corrected their mistake especially in the third set, and everything went well. But in the first set we had a big problem in our reception a bit, and which gave us a challenge, but I thank God that we were able to correct it in good time and we were able to do perfectly.